Hey guys, welcome to another video on Living Water Stream, and today we are going to do a Schleich barn tour. So let's get started. This is my barn, and first if we go to this little corner, we have this little barn that me and my uncle made. We have Ty, my tinker stallion, then we have my Mustang stallion Spike. Then we have a little tiny barn, and we have Toby in there. And then up we have Cream with her deep water. Then back there in the little pasture we have Ruby and Dusty. And then in the barn, outside we have the two little flowers. We have this horseshoe that my dad gave me. We have the driver, he doesn't have a name yet. He's just sitting in that bale of hay. Then in here, we have the bigger barn. Over here, we have Flora, and they all have feed and water. There's Daisy. We have Buttercup there. Here we have Hunter, and there we have Sugar and Sammy. And there's some shadows on the back side. We have another small pasture on the side, and there we have Luna and Misty. And here we have the little shelter parking lot. We have the truck and trailer there. Here we have John riding Blaze with Lizzie and Dusty. And in the big pasture, we have Wapo here. We have the big water trough, and then a hay bale there. And over here, we have a custom I did. He doesn't have a name yet, and we have Amy there grooming him. And then this little shelter, we have the cows. We have Bessie, Splash, Dark Chocolate, and we have Cole there. Here is messy because I don't have a tack room right now, so it's just messy over there. Here we have the barrels and some flags I made. Here is the arena that my dad made for me. We have some jumps there. We have Hazel riding Ranger right now, going through some jumps. So that's the whole barn. Today's shout out goes to Diamond LPS. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell and so you will be notified when we post a new video. And remember, kids, God loves you very much. Bye.